Hi friends, I'm Mikkel. Welcome to Pretty Healthy, where we make, pretty healthy recipes. I love candy, but I don't love the way it makes me feel. Today we're gonna make a candy that's healthier, and it has a secret ingredient. What secret ingredient? You just gotta wait and see. I do need a sous chef though, and today I have my friend with the most fabulous hair, Bob. You ready to help me, Bob? Let's do it. So we're gonna get started on my strawberry coconut candies, and what's so cool about this is there is white chocolate, but it's also dairy-free. So I have a secret ingredient that I mentioned earlier, and it is beet powder. Sounds weird, I know. Bear with me though. Beet powder is a very subtly flavored, basically dehydrated and ground up beet. There's a sweetness to it, there's an earthiness to it, but it's definitely a superfood. Beets are known to really help with your blood flow, and in addition to that, athletes take beet powder all the time for endurance purposes. Studies show actually that when athletes or anybody working out takes a serving of beet powder, they actually perform up to 16% better, which is super cool. So maybe eat one of these candies before you work out. Who knows? So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my filling. To start this, I'm gonna drop the beet. All right, so we can get started on the filling, but take a look at all the ingredients. For the filling, we have shredded coconut, strawberries, coconut oil, agave, and beet powder. For our vegan white chocolate, we have raw cacao butter, coconut oil, confectioner's sugar, vanilla extract, and for toppings, we have freeze-dried strawberries. So for the rest of our filling, we have, as you saw, shredded coconut, coconut oil, melted, something sweet, and then this is literally just blended strawberries. You can use a food processor, a blender, or a fork with a lot of patience. Your choice. That's gonna go in as well. We're just gonna mix that together. If you look closely, you can see the beet powder start to turn this an even richer color. And once that's nice and combined, we can set it aside. Bob here's gonna watch it. Don't eat it though, Bob. Robert, I'm watching you. I don't trust Bob. Now we're gonna get started on our vegan white chocolate, which is essentially going to be the layer around our filling. In order to make white chocolate without using dairy, I'm using a really cool superfood. It's raw cacao butter. So this is a really healthy fat that helps control appetite. It's full of healthy antioxidants since it's raw and unprocessed, and it's used topically a lot. It's very healthy for your skin. Make sure you get an edible grade of raw cacao butter, and it's completely safe to eat. So we're going to start by mixing this raw cacao butter in a double boiler. This is going to melt down for a little bit. At the same time, to melt it down and keep it really smooth, I'm gonna add some coconut oil. So this is gonna take a couple minutes to melt down. While we're waiting, check out today's pretty healthy tip. Fats, 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 fats. Everybody. I like fats, they're important. Today we're gonna talk about fats. If you can't tell, we use raw cacao butter, which is a great fat. This is another alternative I just wanted to let you know about. It's ghee, which is clarified butter. Yes, it's lactose-free. It's safe for lactose-intolerant people to eat. Fat is so important to incorporate into your diets. For example, a lot of nutrients are fat-soluble, so you have to have fat present to even absorb those nutrients. Ghee can be used in a lot of ways. You can blend this in with your morning coffee to absorb those nutrients and the caffeine. You can use this in place of butter in anything, in baking, in sautéing. You can make your eggs in this in the morning. I recommend you give it a try because it is so healthy for your body. So this is all melted and combined. Now I'm going to add our powdered sugar. That just goes straight in. And some vanilla extract for that flavor. Give this a whisk till it's completely combined. Starting to look like melted white chocolate, isn't that cool? And now it's time for the assembly, which is a fun part if you ask me. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a spoonful of our white chocolate as the base. These would be super cute for like a tea party or a little picnic or even a little baby shower because they're pink. Actually, where I would love to serve these the most is Valentine's Day. Make this for your sweetheart and they will love you. It's white and pink, how classic is that? Now each liner has a base to it. I'm going to add in a little dollop of our filling over here. Do you see how lovely this color is with that beet powder in there? It's kind of a win-win because you avoid the artificial coloring from food coloring and it's a superfood. Great. So the filling is in all of them. See a little taste test? Oh, it's good. Then I'm gonna top off each of the candies so you can't see the pink in them. Now, as like a cute little garnish on top and a little hint to what's on the inside, I have freeze-dried strawberries here. Freeze-dried fruit is where they literally just suck out the moisture of the fruit and they make almost little chips. I like them because they're tart, and this white chocolate's pretty sweet. So that balance, I think, is really nice. So I'm just gonna kind of break a couple of these up, put like 3 or 4 on each one. There we go, all the hard work is done. All we have to do now is pop these in the freezer and let them chill for about an hour. So, Bob, do you wanna like get kombucha or something? I'm gonna take that as a yes, and I will drink yours too. Let's do it. How's your kombucha, Bob? Good? It's real good. They're frozen, and they're ready to be plated. Wow, I need to have a tea party now. A kombucha party. I need to have a kombucha party now. And there you have it. They are all ready to go in these adorable little individual size containers. Okay, I'm excited. I never get white chocolate. These are so good. You have to try these strawberry coconut candies because it's such an interesting and unique fusion of flavors. Please give them a try. Please give that a try and let me know how it goes. See you next time.